Hi, my name is Jacob Barris, and this is my introduction video for injury prevention. Just a little bit about me. I'm originally from Topeka, Kansas. I was born and raised there. I lived there most of my life. I went to Topeka High School. Yeah, I played football all 4 years there. Unfortunately, I tore both my ACLs. One when I was a sophomore, and my other when I was just graduated from high school, so I'm more or less familiar with the different ligaments in my knees now. Um, I originally went to Allen County. I was only there for about a year. I got a job that paid pretty well. Unfortunately, that didn't work out very well, and so I did the next best thing, and I moved. I moved to Dodge City to live with my grandparents. I helped take care of them. Mostly my grandpa. He had Parkinson's, so it was kind of hard for him to move sometimes, and it was just really tough on my grandma, who was, you know, also up there. She's in her 80s. He was 90. He was 91 at the time when I moved out there. So, and he wasn't a small guy either. He's about 6'1". He didn't weigh very much, but when he was dead weight when he had one of his episodes, he was pretty heavy. I went to the community college out there. I got my associates out there, and right now I am currently a full-time student at Emporia State. I'm taking this class here because it just fits better in my schedule that I have right now. Being that it's my last year at Emporia State, I'm going for my physical education bachelor's, and I'm set to graduate in spring. The reason I'm taking this class is because it's required for my degree, and also um, I'm just interested in how different ligaments, bones, muscles that are involved, especially since I want to be a coach. Even though I'm not going to help with my players when they get hurt. That's what the trainers are for. But it's still nice to know, so that way, if say one of my players does get hurt, I know what the trainer is talking about. Was like, yeah, your player tore a hamstring or whatever. Plus, just a basic background knowledge to have, just in case I need to do something with my players. And so I'm looking forward to learning a lot from this class. Hopefully, it goes pretty smoothly, with me taking 19 credit hours altogether. But I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully, it's a good semester. Thank you.